So we are going to make some pizza today, some delicious pizza, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do it on the Ninja Artisan Pizza oven. Let's first take a quick look at the ingredients. So we got our dough, also flour, because it's really important to have extra flour to slide the pizza off of the holder. So this is the Ninja Artisan right here, Ninja Artisan Pizza oven, and we're going to just go through the features that it's got and show you how it works. So first of all, there is one big switch on the back right here to turn it off or to turn it on, so that's kind of a good thing. And now if we look at the front panel, what we got here are different modes. So right now we're on pizza, and the thing about this pizza oven is it cooks at really hot temperatures. So mine is set in Celsius. 370 degrees Celsius is super hot. That is 700 degrees Fahrenheit. So you got different settings there, and you select between them with this knob right here. This is quite a nice knob too, by the way. So you got thin is 290C, New York 245C, pan 220C, and custom you can set how you want. Let's see, that's pizza. And now if we turn that on, let's say we start the Artisan like that, it's going to preheat, and it does take a good 15 minutes or so. And if you look inside, the fan does not turn for pizza. All right, so if we switch modes, you can switch from pizza to bake, and there you set the temperature yourself. And if you go to prove, now prove is for getting the dough to start rising. So that takes a fair amount of time. You can see there 45 minutes. We're going to switch modes also to air fry. So air fry is the only one where when you hit it, it turns the fan on inside. See that? So that's the air fry mode. It's also got a light that turns on. That's pretty cool. So you can see inside there's a lamp there on the right side. But today we are going to make a pizza with it, and we are going to make an Artisan Pizza 370 degrees Celsius or 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go. All right, we are going to start preheating. Okay, so here we got our dough already, and that can be up to 12 inches or 30 centimeters, and it's got to fit here onto this pizza peel, which we're going to put a bunch of flour on later for sliding the pizza off. Let's get started with the rest. Let's finish up this pizza, put some sauce on there. Let's go. I like a lot of sauce. There you go. That is looking pretty tasty, just like that. Next comes the cheese on there. We need a lot of cheese. I brought some stuff too, and it's already, some of it's open. Oregano on there. All right, put some pepperonis on there. A couple artichokes on there, why not? Put a couple of tasty jalapenos on there too. All right, so we got our pizza all ready here. I got the adult side here, kids side here. Now let's get this guy in the oven. Okay, so the preheating is almost done. It's got these 3 bars here. So just the top bar is blinking now. It's right around 75% preheated. It will stop blinking when it's finished preheating. Alrighty, now it's finished preheating, and it's time to put the pizza in. All right, now it's time to get the pizza onto the peel. So you really got to stick it in there quick. Okay, I got her. Okay, in you go. Okay, then you got to choose the time. So we're going to do it for 4 minutes and start. And now we wait. Let's see what the pizza looks like. Wow, that's looking delicious. Alrighty, let's take that pizza out of there. Now I like my pizzas real crispy. And so, ooh, I got a super duper crispy pizza right there. Very nice. You see, I did make a bit of a mess in there. There's gonna be some mess to clean up later. Just being honest.
And here is pizza number 2.
Let's see how good of a job I do. Here's the pizza for the kiddies. And here we go. So, got the pizza in there. Let's close the lid, and we're gonna press start. Now, I would like to say a couple things about this oven. It is awesome. I mean, it makes really tasty pizza, but it does take some practice. In particular, using this peel to get the pizza on the peel and to get it off, you got to use a whole lot of flour for that. And then afterwards, you do also have to clean the oven. So keep that in mind. But with a little practice, you can get some super duper tasty pizzas. Alrighty, all done. Get the food. Let's do it. Oh, dang. We do like some nice crispy, nice dark crispy cheese on there. That's maybe a little too dark. Again, it does take some practice and it goes fast. That was just 4 minutes. That is a pizza and a half. So that's what the pizza looks like right there. Very nice, very tasty. Alrighty guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and if so, hit that little helpful button down below. And I hope you have a good day.